My name is Mary. I live in Greensboro. I'm a yoga instructor, and I have had lower back pain for pretty much my entire adult life. Since the time I was maybe 16, 17, I remember having some episodes of lower back pain. And I was always able to manage it myself just through the practice of yoga and strength training, and I would have kind of episodes of pain, and then I would kind of work through it and get better. And about 2 years ago, the pain kind of came and stayed with me for a while. It was very localized in my lower back, and it was to the point when even taking a step, my first step out of bed, was very painful. And I knew then that I had to do something more aggressive than my own self-care to manage the pain. So I went to see Dr. LeBauer. I knew that he was doing a form of physical therapy that seemed really interesting to me, myofascial release, working with deep tissue. And I was more attracted to that than something like chiropractic, for example, that seemed like maybe it would be maybe a quick temporary fix, and I wanted something that was more permanent and long-lasting. So I went to see Dr. LeBauer, and very, very happy that I did. We worked together for not too awfully many treatments, and I had, every time I would leave a treatment, I would instantly feel, I would stand up off the table and feel better. And every successive time that I went, I just felt better and better. And he showed me things that I could do at home, self-care exercises and working with the release ball that he uses. And the combination of seeing Dr. LeBauer for therapy and working on myself at home, doing the self-care, continuing with my yoga and strength training practice, it all complemented the therapy that Aaron was doing so well. And it's been, gosh, about a year and a half, maybe going on 2 years, that I had my initial treatment for the low back pain, and I feel great. There's nothing that I want to do that I don't do. He never asked me to stop doing any of my favorite physical activities. He just gave me suggestions on how I could perform those in a healthier way for my back. And I no longer have that constant companion of pain with me, and it's just such a relief to not have that. And I'm grateful every time I take that first step when I get out of bed, and I just feel fine. I don't have any issue with my back, and it's very freeing to be pain free. And I also know that I can come in if I have an episode or something kind of starts to go a little awry with my alignment or something in my body. I call it a tune-up. I come, every maybe few months or so to see Aaron and to work on a little bit more of the soft tissue and relieve any issues that I may be having. So it's been wonderful. I highly recommend Aaron. I often refer my yoga students who are managing some kind of chronic pain or discomfort to go see him. I've never had anyone come back and say that they weren't really happy with the decision to go. So highly recommend Aaron, and I feel great.